This is a short video on how to do copy trading in eToro. So what you're going to do is first get into your account. So I'm inside my account. You're going to discover where it says discover copy trader here, or you can actually use this side bar where are going to discover copy trading here as well. So I'm just going to click here. And when you click there, you're going to be presented with a lot of traders that you can actually copy their trading from. Copy trading is basically designed for people who are busy to come to the markets, but also want to be trading. So you can basically just copy other high performing traders like this. And if you don't want to start from here, you can actually just click here where you get to see all the people trending investors. You can actually do search for traders by sector. You can actually type in their name if you hear of a highly performing trader that you want to copy. Then, for example, let's just say we pick up Helena right here. I'll just click on her and I'll have a profile of Helena there, and I can just actually look at performance. By the way, some losses are accepted in trading. So when you see red here, it doesn't mean that the person is a bad trader. Just need to scrutinize according to your criteria which one is good trading and bad trading performance. Then you can also get their stats. You can go through their portfolio, and once you are happy with the trader that you have basically chosen, it's a matter of just clicking on this button here. If you are trading the first time with copy trader, basically you're going to go through a 2-minute questionnaire from eToro. They just want to get some details about you. It doesn't matter whatever you say, you'll be accepted for copy trading. Then after that, you can just click copy. Now it's going to ask you about the amount of money that you're going to be investing to copy whatever Elena Wright is going to be trading. So this account, I've created it specifically for this tutorial, so there's no money in this account. So if I had money in this account, I just basically put the amount that I want to risk. Risk is all risk copying Helena right here. Then after that, I would scroll all the way down and just click invest. Then I'll be done. My account will start copying Helena Wright's account. Yes, she trades, and I'll just be doing my normal daily duties at work, with the kids, with the household, and just come and just manage the trades. But everything else will be mirrored to what Miss Helena Wright will be doing on her account as well.